to my class. Class, stand up, hands up, down, up, down. We have Igbo language. We have what? Igbo language. Asụsụ Igbo. Our topic today says how to use this verb. Class, repeat after me. How to use this verb. Bupu. I'll say that. Bupu. Bupu is a verb. If you don't want to call it bupu, you say wepu. Wepu. But bupu and wepu are just the same thing. But bupu, we use bupu when we have heavy objects. If you don't want to call it bupu, you say wepu. Bupu or wepu is just the same thing. Bupu or wepu, it means in English, carry away, carry away, as a verb in sentences. Two of them are the same thing, but the other one means heavy something, bupu, while wepu means light object. Igbo English, number one sentence says, Biko, bupu ụgbọala gị n'ụzọ. Class, repeat after me. Biko, bupu ụgbọala gị n'ụzọ. Biko, bupu ụgbọala gị n'ụzọ. Have you seen it? Bupu. Biko, bupu ụgbọala gị n'ụzọ. Because ụgbọala is a heavy object. It's a heavy thing. So we use bupu. Bupu. Please carry your car away from the road. Please, please, you are pleading. Inayondo, please carry away your car away from road. Number 2 says, Biko, bupu onwe gị n'ụzọ ka m legharịa anya. I say it. Biko, bupu onwe gị n'ụzọ ka m legharịa anya. Biko, bupu onwe gị n'ụzọ ka m legharịa anya. You know, some people that are too fat, they will be going like this, going like this. They can mean in a hurry. Hanaga, no aga. Father Bukwa notice me, when they feel that they dress well, they just be going up and down. They just be going up and down, going up and down. They go from east to west. Come again. They go again. Just to notice me, notice me. We tell him or her, please, bupu onwe gị n'ụzọ ka m legharịtụ anya. Because the person is heavy, or he or she is feeling that he or she is too heavy. Maybe because of the kind of clothes, new clothes he or she bought, or he or she wear. It means, please carry yourself away. Let me see road. Please carry yourself away. Let me see road. Kamfuzo. Another one says, bupu ha ọsọ. Again, class. Bupu ha ọsọ. Bupu ha ọsọ. Meaning, carry them away fast. Carry them away fast. Bupu ha ọsọ. So, bupu means in English, carry away, and it is our verb. And we use it to give command. Bupu ya. Take it away. Carry it away. Bupu ya. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more.